Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So here we'll see how to build an APK for your Android device using VS Code. Now to be able to do that, first one thing you need to do, I would suggest you to come to this website and find this section where it says build an APK, because by the time you're watching, they might change the command over here. So copy the command, come to your VS Code, find the terminal and make sure you're at the root of your app, and then run this command, and then it would compile and build. And as you see, as it's running over here, and there might be some warnings, but you can ignore them, and it may take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes. Now as you see, it's done over here, and it says that it also told you the path where it generated the APK. So we'd simply just copy this one over here up to this APK, and then we'd do over here CD, and then we'd go to that folder, and then we'd do open dot, so it would open up the folder where it includes all these different APK versions. So now you can go ahead and push them in your device or go ahead and publish them. Okay, so yeah, so that's how you go ahead and build APK from VS Code for Android Flutter.